is good. This is good. Let's try it on. We got a full frame.
Hello, everybody. You might be hearing garbage in the background.
Fumes that are coming out of it.
Is it a good idea to microwave this?
Probably put that out.
Probably not, but this isn't all.
Wait.
And here they all are. Crunchy salad toppings. Tostito rounds. Probably the dumbest one. No, they will not. None of this will be in its packaging, that's for sure. Toothpaste and mouthwash. Oh, that's gonna go over so terribly. Bread. Ham. Cucumber. Baby carrot. Tested both of these. It's fucking stupid. But we're gonna do it anyway. 2 eggs. Not in their shells. I'm not fucking new. And of course, Melba toast and cheese. Now you might have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 experiments. What's the last one? Actual garbage. Actual garbage. Actual garbage. Now, you might be asking yourself, do I have a sidekick? No. I couldn't be bothered. But, what you're also probably asking is, why are you doing this? As he changes the lighting. Because I missed a bunch of vlogs and kind of feel bad. Ow, it's hot. Why'd that move the fucking ceiling? Anywho, actually that's kind of stupid. Anywho, ow, I'm blind. Anyways, yeah. This is the dumbest thing I've decided to do to fill in vlogs. But it's better than not having videos up from those days. This is the first video because it's an announcement. All this starts tomorrow in a relative term. Fuck you.